Hello everybody, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a PC crasher that will be, it won't be that good, but yeah. So first you have, the best way for me for it to be like more easy is get Vrchat Creator Companion at vrchat.com. So now what you do, here at create a new project. And then when you're at this screen, I don't really know what to do, but just add this and maybe easy quest switch. I don't know. And then you open the project. And then when that opens, I'll give that to you. Okay, guys, so we are now back. So it will be pretty empty. And so, yeah, it'll be pretty empty now. But then, once you get your thing, I'm gonna do this at virtual, so yeah. It can be any, well, maybe not any, but, alright, so now, I open this, wait, oh yeah, alright, now, wait, ma'am? Oh, alright, so now, your avatar may look like this. So then just go to the materials or level, make it Vrchat mobile standard. Well, maybe not all of them will be, but and then yeah. So and now it will look pretty blank, but you have to go here, prefab, unpack. And the other thing I forgot to mention, I ain't gonna blow this out because you need toggle assistant. I ain't gonna link that because, yeah. So you got find toggle assistance on some website, probably GitHub. So then you wait for this to load, I guess. Yeah. You gotta wait for it to load it. I don't want this video being that long. Well, I kinda do, but I kinda don't. Alright. So now once it's done, you need it for like the toggles. So now you can tell it's here because the plugin thing. So now all you gotta do, make it empty, put a 0, 0, 0, 0. Now it'll be on the bottom. So you gotta move it up and put it there. And then just name it whatever. I'm gonna just name it the shade because that's what we're using. So now shadle, you open the avatar thing, spine, chest, neck. Alright, so now when you're at the head, put the shadle there. So now when it rotates, yeah. So now what you do is, I guess you now add a spear. Now put it 0, 0, 0. It'll actually be bigger, I guess. So then shadle, and then yeah. So now it's there. I probably move it there. And then you duplicate it if you want. I'm gonna because yeah. And then you move them like this, I guess. Yeah. So now they like that. And then now, what you do, you need to hide this, or else it might crash or lag. So now, whatever shadle you want to use, I'm gonna use this. So now, what you do is find a shadle. I'm gonna do this. I don't know if it will, but now you add create material, and then you put it on there. Now I don't know why this there. Distance, I'm gonna just put 24, that, and yeah, so now what you do is you select these, put it on them, I don't know why it's not working. Ma'am? Okay, I'm gonna just do it like this. So now, put it on those, and then what you do next is the toggle assistant. Right click the thing, create toggle. But then this, because I forgot to add it. So now, you have no thing. You need it there for the thing. So now, via or do that, create Vrchat menu, please. Menu. Oh my god. Hold up. Well, delete. Now, Vrchat avatars expression. Now that, and then go back to the thing. Oh, force create, and then animation create. And just name it FX, I guess. Now, select this FX, and then here expression. Set it at these. And now for that you're done. So now go back to the create toggle. See, that thing will be on. Now just name it, I guess, PC flag. I guess, if you want. Now, very simple. Now it added a thing. So now, if you want, you can add more, which I'm going to, because that one doesn't work, I add more. So now, I guess I'm gonna add, I don't know. I'm gonna just add the, I guess, standard crash by whatever. Now go do the material thing again. And then with this, you put it there. Okay? And then radius, I don't know. I'm not gonna do it. But this one is invisible. I don't know if that's good. Now create empty 000. Okay. I don't know how to. How do I don't care though. And then move it up, forward. And now put it at the head. Should I? I'm gonna add 2 or just in case. Alright. Now spear 000. Do, 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 do. Now wait. Huh. I looked weird, okay. So now, and then do the same thing. Hide. And then, wait, I added the wrong material. Whoopsie. Alright, so add this thing. So now, do the same thing. Create toggle, and then PC lag. Ma'am? Did I just, now, yeah. And for more, uh, uh, yeah. So then, you can do 2 or more if you have more shades. But that gonna be it. So, go to here. Hold up. I'll get to you when I'm done doing that. Okay, now after that, we did the thing. So now name it, I guess, whatever. I'm gonna just do tort. And then I guess add a, I like to do like these, so I'm gonna just do that. And I guess that is okay. Now, just build and publish. And then name it PC. Yeah, blah 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 blah. Ta-da! And then you made your first simple little crasher. Now go do your thing and try to, and then yeah, that's how to make your very own crasher for the full time. And uh, please please like and subscribe for more videos. I know I hadn't posted in a while. Sorry, I just don't really like making videos on this account right no more. So yeah, bye.